Hi everyone, today I would like to introduce to you our VMC855 CNC machining center. This machine uses Mitsubishi controller. Customer can also choose other brands such as FedEx or Siemens or GSK brand controller. And this is 24 tools arm type tool changer. Customer can also choose 20 tools or 32 tools tool changer. And this is 8,000 RPM spindle. Customer can also choose 10,000 or 12,000 RPM spindle. And this is Taiwan brand 4th axis. And here is our chain type chip conveyor. And in the machine back, this is Mitsubishi drive. And we use Schneider electronics. Schneider. And here, this black tank is air tank. We use it to keep the machine's air pressure stable.